from?
Where is Puppy?
You got a puppy?
No.
Then what's a puppy?
My stuffed animal?
Your stuffed animal? Could it be in the bedroom?
Where'd it go? Fuck.
Why are you so hung up on it? We can just find it later.
I need to know where Puppy is.
And you're sure you had him last night? You didn't lose him during the move out?
I know he's in here somewhere.
Okay, let's take this one step at a time. It doesn't look like he's in the bed. Check under the papasan chair, but we'll find him.
What if he's not here?
Then maybe it's time you learn to live without Puppy.
I am going to preheat the oven. Can you grab a pot?
Don't worry about it. Just go put something on TV. I got it. You're all good.
Are you fucking kidding me?